How's it going, guys? JB here. Just wanted to do a quick video on the Husky silent compressor. This is the 20 gallon 1.5 horsepower, and I just wanted to do this video comparing how quiet this compressor is. For reference, I will have this little pretty popular Porter cable 6 gallon, and also this DeWalt. This is the cordless DeWalt 2.5 gallon. And for comparison, I'll turn all three of these, starting with the DeWalt, and then lastly we'll do the Husky for comparison. Hope this will help on your purchase decision. And here it goes. All right, so first off, we'll start with the DeWalt.